What we are going to add now is that forward-backward move. That one works when we are in the outside partner position. So in that one that was the number 3 position when we do the box. 1, 2, here, back and forth. So it's like I remain in the position 3 for a while, and then from there we go, down, go, close. 1, 2, 3, back and forth. Let's repeat it. Down, go, close. Let's see from the follower's point of view. 1, 2, 3, back and forth. Let's repeat. Down, go, close. Change weight and again. One more time. 1, 2, 3, back and forth. I repeat and down, go, close. It works when you are outside partner. So keep in mind that we need to go to the outside partner. All these patterns are like Legos. Legos. So you can combine them in different ways. I will run an example. We can start with the first idea that was walking in front of my partner. Now I want to do the box. Here, look, I use a change of weight in order to fix my direction, and then I start with the box and I do the forward, backward. Tango, close, and we can start again. So you have 3 different sequences to use to give variety to the dance. Eventually, you will dance a whole song without repeating anything. That's the beauty of tango. So we start today. I start learning English, and you see Mimi still is teaching me English. So